How long does blockchain take to confirm transaction? Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you how long does it take blockchain to confirm the transaction. Now on the Bitcoin network, the average confirmation time for BTC payment is about 10 minutes. However, transaction time can vary widely. This is because it is affected by factors such as total networking activity, hash rate, and transaction fees as well. Now, Bitcoin blocks contain all of the most recent transactions are added to the blockchain every 10 minutes. That means, in theory, your transaction will receive its first confirmation within 10 minutes of request being sent. However, sometimes it might take a way longer time than what's actually a minimum time. So wait until 24 hours, and if it does not appear on your screen, then you can contact the support team or you can look into your matter. So that's how long it does take blockchain to confirm transaction. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.